Hello, this is Tamara Evans, Digital Services Librarian at the Kings County Library. Today I'm going to introduce you to a wonderful resource for middle school students called Britannica School Middle. This resource is provided to the Kings County Library from the California State Library. To begin, you want to go to the library's website, which is located at kingscountylibrary.org. Next, you're going to navigate over to the brown research button and then click on it. Once you arrive at our research webpage, you're then going to scroll down to the database table and then click the blue button labeled See All Databases. On our database webpage, you'll notice that all of our databases are shown in alphabetical order. Having said this, we're going to scroll until we see Britannica School and then click where it says Click Here to Access. There are 3 levels in Britannica School, which are elementary, middle, and high. So we're going to click middle, which corresponds to middle school students. If you already know what topic you want to look for, you can find related articles by clicking this yellow search button. So for example, if I want an article about the Statue of Liberty, I can start typing in Statue of, and then as you can see under recommended articles, it's bringing up Statue of Liberty. So here's the article on the Statue of Liberty. Each article presented on this online resource are shown in 3 different levels. There's Level 1, 2, and 3. Level 1 is elementary level, Level 2 is middle school level, and Level 3 is high school level. In addition to the article, there's also images and videos, other information on the topic we're looking at, which is the Statue of Liberty. So related primary sources and ebooks and websites. And then if you're a teacher, you can click the Teacher tab. And this shows curriculum standards correlated to the Statue of Liberty. So now we're going to go back to the article. With each article, you have the following options. You can send the article to yourself through email. You can save the article or favorite for later. Print. Cite the article for a paper, translate into another language, listen to the article being read, and you can also make the words look bigger or make the words look smaller. Let's see what it sounds like if we press the listen button.
The giant statue titled Liberty Enlightening the World has become a symbol of the United States and of freedom to oppressed people everywhere.
So if we wanted to go back to the previous page, we can always click the back arrow. Or we can also click the title of the online resource, which will take us back to the first page with the different levels. So we'll choose middle. Other things to explore through the Britannica School Middle online resource. You can click here where it says Can you guess? So it just asks a question. Who had the largest holdings in the New World by the end of the 17th century? So if you wanted to know the answer to that question, you can click Read the article. You can also explore this online resource even further by reading articles, looking at images and videos, or reading a biography. They also provide fun at-a-glance articles. My content is where any article that you save as a favorite can be stored and looked at later. Did You Know presents short videos in reference to history as well as planets and other historical important information. There's a daily buzzword, which you can see shows the word, part of speech, how to pronounce it, what does it mean, and how do you use it. Britannica School is also available in Spanish, so if you wanted to see the Spanish version of Britannica School, you can click this button. Can You Guess shows 4 little fun questions and articles corresponding to that. There's also a country comparison tool where you can pick 2 different countries and learn more information about what countries have in common as well as what countries have their differences. There's a world atlas you can explore, or you can also tour the USA with the world atlas. Recommended U.S. primary sources can come in handy if you're writing a paper and your teacher's asking you to present primary sources. This could be a good tool for you. And then new and revised articles written by the staff at Britannica School. So let's dig a little deeper in reference to some of the other resources provided through Britannica School Middle. So if we wanted to go up and click on Do You Know? Let's click on this article about Beethoven, this video.
In his 40s, the composer Ludwig lost his hearing, but he continued to compose great music. When he conducted the performance of his 9th Symphony in 1824, he could not hear the audience clapping.
So as you can see, that's a little bit of videos that can be listened to through Do You Know? And then if you wanted to dig more into the country comparisons, we can click where it says Explore Compare Countries. And as you can see, you can pick a variety of different countries. And it will compare each of them in reference to the name of the country, type of government, executive branch, the capital, language, religion, monetary unit or money, population, area, urban rural population, life expectancy, literacy percentage, and GNI per capita. And then if you click where it says articles and media, it'll present articles and media on both of those countries that you picked before. And then of course you can always click the back arrow to take you back to the original search results, or you can always click the title of the online resource, which will take us back to the levels. So lastly, we'll look at a glance. So we'll just click on one of these articles. And of course, as you can see, each option does present more at a glance or more for that specific topic. So as you can see with this article, it presents information about American Indians at a glance, using the same reading level, elementary level, middle level, as well as the other search techniques options that I mentioned before. This concludes the Britannica School Middle tutorial. Make sure that you like the Kings County Library Facebook page and follow the Kings County Library on YouTube for more tutorials similar to this one. Thank you and have a good day.